Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you on how to save a copy of a shared file to your own Google Drive or personal drive. So bakit? Bakit kailangan natin mag-save sa personal drive natin? Kasi as you look into this shared folder, materials for students orientation, there are so many duplicated copies. Now imagine if you're about to present on Monday or on the day where you need to meet your students online, baka kakamadali mo, iba ma-open mong file dito. So, again, it takes time. At baka malito ka or may ma-delete kang files. So, kasi ang folder na to can be accessed by all the moderators. Kasi lahat sila binigyan ng shared link. So, to avoid that, we need to make sure that our own copy is saved to our personal folder. To do that, okay, let's begin by opening, for example, this one, Moderators Letter to Students. Let's open this. So, double click mo lang and let's wait for it to load. Okay. So, as you can see, nakalagay dito, request edit access. So, hindi mo siya i-edit. So, to make a copy, click File. Then choose make a copy. Then you can modify the file name. You can put your name so that you know that that is your personal copy. Then instead of materials for students orientation, i-click natin to and look for other folders. So hindi natin i-save dito para hindi tayo malito. Let's click this back. And then let's select my drive. So this is your personal drive in your Gbox. I-click mo itong go to my drive, the right arrow here, click on it, and you are now redirected to your personal Google Drive. And here you can see your personal folders, and you can create a new folder if you want to. In my case, I already have a folder for my class, Mod 2020-2021. Click on it and select. Then, OK. So, it is open in a new tab, and this is now my copy. So, I can now edit this one. So, whatever changes I made here will be saved to my personal account. At walang ibang maka-edit at makakakita niyan kundi ako lang. Okay? So, ganun din I suggest, ganun din gawin mo sa ibang files sa day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. So, para hindi tayo malito ng mga files na duplicated na dito. Okay po? So, I hope that helps you in organizing your files in your Google Drive. So, next time, pag magpipresent ka, hindi ka na pupunta sa Shared With Me, kundi punta ka na lang sa My Drive. And then, look for the folder, for example sa akin, Mod 2020-2021, and lahat ng copy ng files na ginawa ko will be saved here. So, isa lang pupuntahan ko na folder. And then, yun. So, hindi ako malito. I'm ready to present. Thank you for watching. Ciao!